There's never been a more exciting time to enter the architecture, engineering, and construction industry. The way we design, construct, and manage buildings is evolving rapidly. Digital technologies such as laser scanning, drones, 3D printing, artificial intelligence, advanced visualization, building information modeling, and data-driven decision-making are reshaping the industry. Tomorrow's buildings and communities will be created by professionals who can connect design, technology, and construction in innovative ways. That's where the 3-year architectural technology program comes in. From your first semester onward, you'll learn by doing. Through a studio environment that mirrors professional practice, you'll collaborate with others, solve real problems, real-world challenges, and develop the technical, digital, and professional skills today's industry demands. This program is about more than software or technical training. Our goal is to help you become a versatile problem solver, critical thinker, and future leader who can adapt to a changing industry. By graduation, you'll understand how ideas move from concept to construction, and you'll have the portfolio and experience to contribute to the future of your built environment.
When I started, I thought architecture was mostly about drawing buildings, and what I learned is that there's so much more to it. We're working on design projects, creating technical drawings, learning software used in the industry, and figuring out how buildings come together in the real world. I like that it's creative, but it's also practical. You're solving problems, working with a team, and building skills that connect directly to the industry. Students can also travel to Italy and take part in hands-on research projects exploring ancient Roman architecture.
If you're curious about how design, technology, and construction come together, this program gives you the foundation to be part of where the industry is going.